Hi there, this is the unboxing of Xiaomi Mi A2 Lite telephone. I already did unboxing of Mi A2 and this is its smaller brother Mi2A Lite. So we're going to see what it looks like and what are the differences between the two models. The thing that I like about both phones is that they host Android One, which means pretty clean Android from Google without any additional apps by Xiaomi. And that should ensure the updates for a very long time, I hope. And here's the Mi A2 Lite. As you see, the difference between the two models is mostly the notch, which is not on A2, but is on A2 Lite. And also A2 Lite is slightly smaller. So while A2 hosts Snapdragon 660, A2 Lite hosts Snapdragon 625, I believe. Otherwise, it's everything you'd expect from modern Android phone. This is the blue version. You can see Android One logo here. It's got a fingerprint sensor. It's got a 20 megapixel Sony camera here, dual camera. And front camera is here at the notch. So what else do we have here? As with all Xiaomi phones, you also get this thing to protect your phone, which is really nice. And of course, charging cable and the adapter in white color. And of course, this pin so you can insert the SIM card, and that's about it. The price is slightly lower than A2. The price is around $170, so which is a pretty good deal. So let's take a look at the phone. Okay, so you have both telephones here side by side. This is A2, this is A2 Lite. So let's go to the settings and see what versions of Android they installed. Let's go to System, Advanced, and here System Update. So as you can see, A2 Lite has Android 8.10. And A2 has already been updated to Android version 9, which doesn't mean that there won't be an update for A2 Lite. So both phones have 32 gigs of storage, but you can also buy versions with 64 gigabytes of storage. They're both very thin, very cute, very nice. So the only difference, if you ask me, is whether you like the notch or not. Thanks for watching.